Most remote controls found in devices like TVs, air conditioners, ceiling fans, etc. use a standard infrared signal which we can use to control things in an Arduino board. We only need an IR receiver that we can connect with a breadboard or use the included one in the UNO Learning Shield. The easiest way to get you started is by using my example sketch, which you can find in the description of this video. Obviously, we are using a library, so first install that. Once you upload the sketch, open the serial monitor. In there, it's going to print the code of any signal received. You're going to notice that each button you press has a different code number. Copy that number and place it in this part of the sketch to trigger an action. The rest of the code is to toggle an LED and to turn another LED on only while keeping the button pressed. With this example, you can do whatever you want much easier than starting from scratch, so create your own experiments and apply it to your projects. As you can see, using buttons can be a little tricky to get it right because we need to create some kind of delay to know when we release the button. That's why this code looks a little complicated using a few variables. This is actually something that is recommended to use for all kinds of buttons to prevent bouncing. If you want to understand better about this, watch the next video where we're going to deal with the bouncing physical buttons connected directly to Arduino. I hope it was helpful and see you in the next video. Bye bye!